The judge that extended the detention period of Andrew Tate and Tristan Tate for an additional 30 days has given his reasons for doing so. The judge's statement came in written form from the main court in Bucharest as reported in an article by the BBC. The article reads: "A judge in Romania has described the particular dangerousness of Andrew Tate and his brother Tristan in terms of their ability to target women. He also pointed to what he called their capacity and effort to exercise permanent psychological control over the victims, including by resorting to constant acts of violence. As well as safeguarding the investigation and ensuring the suspect's presence at any future trial, the detention was justified by the need to manage social tensions and public order around this case." In his explanation, the judge highlighted what he said was the Tate brothers' ability to identify vulnerable victims, and to consider them to be the culprits, rather than the traffickers who obtained huge profits from exploiting them. His statement included prosecutors' claims that women recruited by the Tates were forced to work continuously for 12 hours, with only a 5-minute break. It also outlined behavior consistent with the lover-boy method, often used by traffickers to draw women into the sex industry for profit, saying that all the alleged victims in this case had asked the defendants for attention and affection, which was made conditional on them carrying out activities that would bring the brothers income. It is important to note that the Tate brothers are being held while the police investigate allegations of rape and human trafficking, which they categorically deny. The fact they are being held for this long without any evidence against them is peculiar. In his statement, the judge himself stated prosecutors had not fully clarified the facts of the case, but added that this did not eliminate a reasonable suspicion that the defendants had committed the crimes they were being investigated for, which justified their detention on legal grounds. The article continues: "Andrew Tate and his brother are being held along with 2 Romanian women closely associated with them, Georgiana Naghel and Luana Rodu. Investigators alleged that in early 2021, the 4 constituted an organized criminal group, set up to recruit, shelter, and transport victims in order to obtain large sums of money by forcing victims to perform pornographic events distributed on websites such as TikTok and OnlyFans. It's understandable anyone being arrested for questioning based on allegations. But with no evidence at all, surely they should be released, and if evidence is found during investigation they should then be sentenced and locked up. The Tate brothers are literally being held for this long on allegations and suspicion alone, no evidence. In the UK and other Western countries like the US this wouldn't be the case. It's against the law. There are procedures that must be followed. But as the brothers are residents of Romania, the authorities there are able to use tactics like this against them. They are expected to appeal the extension. Some of the alleged victims from the case have spoken out and given their view on the case. We have covered this on the channel, and we have also covered some activities and behavior of other alleged victims that you can view. Please leave a like, subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos. Until next time, thanks for watching, take care.